Quick heads up on this one. So this was a customer that I'd done some work for. They had a whole load of lead pipes in the place and they were worried for children's health with regards to the plumbing being in lead. Also there was an imbalance in the system because it was tank fed from up in the loft and mains pressure on the hot water because they had a combination boiler. So just have a watch. Hope you're all well and dealing with the COVID situation somewhat as best you can. I've taken some time out presently from social media and YouTube and that, but we'll see how this goes. And these are some old footage pieces that I've had on the system, so I thought I'd share them with you. Just a typical day. Anyway, all the best everyone, good luck. I'm going to remove these cabinets. I think this pipe here has got to be removed. This pipe here. Basically tidy all of this up and find out what's going on. Dead legs. So that's what we're doing. So this unit's going to come out first. We're going to see upstairs and next week. Neighbours. See what's going on up there. Let's have a look in here. That'll be full of foam then. So now we're just looking for ways that they fixed it. Okay, so this is the bit we're interested in. This is the bit at the top of the unit. Yeah. And this will be where the box, where there'll be pipes coming down. So we'll just have a quick look behind. So that's the section we want to take out. So we'll have a look there first. So we've buzzed it across the top and down the side. Well, that was already done. So now we're just going to pop this off. Okay, so what you got? So you got all sorts there straight away. Let's go to work. Silicon in. So that'll be our first. So there you go, one screw in there and one screw in there. Okay, so what have we got? The first one is lead. Second one is lead. Third one is lead. All lead pipes. Got to find out what they are from upstairs. Okay, so while we're here, that's nice. It's always good to get a live socket behind things just terminated like that, yeah. That's okay. Every day's a school day. That's okay. So we're up here with the lovely loft tank, old steel, and it feeds two different systems. So I'm not going near any more than I possibly have to on this steel tank. There should be 3 pipes coming off the back and a few. So this one here, you see, is the vent for the first floor. They still have the old hot water cylinder. You can see inside the tank. That's on its way out. Okay, so this is the back of the tank. This one here. This is the vent of probably the old hot water cylinder. Yep. This is the overflow for the tank. Yep. The one next is cold feed, and the two that you can see there, they're the ones that we need to somehow turn off. So we've now got a situation where we need to turn these off, but I'm not going to touch those valves because judging by the state of that tank, no chance. So this one I believe is the old hot water out of the cylinder, and would have been also a vent, so I'm going to loosen it off. I'm guessing there will be water in it. Soon find out, I guess. So let's find out. What do you reckon? That's it. That's the first one down. Works a treat. Where'd you use a scale? This begs the question, would you brush your teeth with this water? Nice open tank. So our two outlets are right down the bottom over there. And but you can see that there's another problem. Every time you look at a job, wow, I'm supposed to work on this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop this one out. This is the vent. Oh, a bit more lead for the pot. Nice bare open-ended cable. Jesus. I don't know if it's just me, but I find it incredibly hard to kind of think about all of the different pipes, which ones they are and what they do. So that's why quite often I will just cut everything that I don't need out of the job, so I don't ever have to see it again. But it seems that it's too much grief for a lot of guys. But for me, I just prefer to get it off the job. Yeah. You can see the two pipes that we need to turn off. This is the overflow to the tank. Now I don't want to sort of faffing around too much with these two here. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to try and turn these off gently, and worst case I'll put two lead locks on there. I don't touch that one because that's the lead mains coming in. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I don't believe it. Wow. Okay. Well, if that locks it off, I'm going to be a happy boy. Wish me luck here, boys. That's one. That one does as well. Wow, that's just testament to how these old valves work and how they're even good after all these years.
He recommended you to be to do a very good job.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now, get me the best price.
That is the best price, believe me.
You can start the work.
Yeah, I can't start it for about 5-6 days anyway, so I'm up to my ears in work.
He recommended you and he says you're going to do a good job.
Yeah, I do. Every job I do is a good job. So,
yeah, that's right.
Yep.
So give me the best price.
That is
a lot of money on my holiday.
Yeah, that is the best price. There is no other price other than the best price.
How much did you say?
$450, and that includes all of it.
Round figure 400.
Cheers, bye, bye. Testing now water. It's been a while since I've seen a set of those. I think my grandmother had a set of those. Wow, people still have them. So the cold should be dead now. Yep, cold is dead. That's fine. So should the loo. But the hot should be live. Yep. Okay. Bath. Cold is dead. Okay. Yep, just got soaked. This is the bit that I don't like, so it's not too bad. That's quite loose. Okay, so we do one at a time. Give this a little wiggle. Hopefully, I need to make a bit of space at the back here. say this isn't stressful. Give me a break. Still nothing. There you go. That's it, it's out. Well, that's superb, isn't it? So I think I'll just tweak that a tiny bit more. Maybe I'm tempting fate. Okay. And then I've just got the other one to do, going to be a bit tighter. Okay. I'm trying to wear gloves on this because clearly lead. Fisticles. Seems to have just got it moving there, look, you can just see it. Now there is water on this one. I don't know if that's creeping or whether it's just stagnant. Okay, let's just give that a little tweak. Okay. Now I don't like to leave them open like that, so I'm going to see if I can find a fitting. That's the end of our story with this tank. Glad to get out of here, look at that.
Finished?
Yep. This one.
This little finger on my
I have
right.
no idea what the crack
You're
is.
not creating a video this time.
I am, yeah. That's got a 50, like what I would call a 15mm feed off it. I never know these. Dead. Cut this one out. That's that one. It's the cold. The old cold from the tank. But now we're going to connect onto the mains. Not sure how yet. Then everything's balanced, that's the first thing. Everything's fresh water. Beautifully made though, isn't it? Look at that. True craftsmanship. Let out. Well, that was held up from somewhere, clearly, because I just got soaked. So this has been turned off. Yeah. So that's been turned off. There's residual water in there, yeah, and so everything below has drained out, but anything above hasn't. So we'll soon find out, because we'll undo this, take this out, and have a look. So it just goes to show you, even when you're taking it out, you never know. So in theory, if we do this, this bit here should be dry. And then this bit above here could have residual water in it. Well, that's dead. Maybe open. There you go. Looks like there's residual water in it. This is the kind of thing that causes Legionella. There you go. So this was turned off. Hence why. There's that water in there. Last one. I think it's the 15mm that's in that cupboard. There's always that moment where you're not really sure. There's only one thing for it. Well, thank God for that. That's where that goes. Behind the cupboard of doom. All of those pots cut out, so we can tidy these up. Okay, so it's not my particular choice of material. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. If you're going to use this stuff, put a mark, put 2, and when you line it up, just twist. There you go. That's your job done. So I'll just top that up. So that's the new hot feed. Sorry, that's the old hot feed, new cold feed in there, going across, going into the next room, all tidied up. Without all of this electrics, especially working in there, needs a good tidy up, I mean, really. So this was refitted on the insurance company. Holy moly. The guy must have been insane, this guy. I'm in the wrong business. Tighten that out, it's nice and whiffy. So we can just, I can either tee into this, or we can pull up higher. I think we're going to go higher. This will make you laugh. Well, it might make you laugh, guys. So we've got here service valve, washing machine valve, ball fix valve, isolation valve. How many do you need? It's no wonder there's no flow anywhere in London. Okay, that's one. So, sometimes that is the best stuff to use. Unfortunately, I don't really like using it, but in this case, I'll put a clip at the back there. That should be fine. Tap slope. There's a toilet filling out. Some no leaks in there. Put this back together now. So that's that. Okay, so you can see a bit of a leak there dripping away, so we'll just replace that valve. So a quick replacement, just taking it out. And they go. That's as simple as that. So just replace that, put a new one in. Nice easy replacement. Good for another few years now. Full bore isolation valve. Removal of those pipes. Of a happy customer.